All right, here we go. 2018 Leaf Mini Helmet 2-box break number 16. We got Bo with the Cardinals and Seahawks. Robert A. with the Falcons, Browns, and Broncos. Chris S. with the Bills and Ravens. Lynn with the Panthers and Rams. Dan with the Lions. Vincent with the Cowboys. James D. with the Bengals. Jeffrey M. with the Bears. Clint with the Packers, Chargers, and Chiefs. Donald B. with the Texans. Scott with the Colts. Wilfredo with the Jaguars, Eagles, and Redskins. Toby with the Saints. Ben with the Patriots and Jets. Andrew C. with the Vikings. Alex with the Dolphins, Raiders, and Steelers. Ian with the Giants. Cindy with the 49ers. Martinez with the Bucks. And Noe with the Titans. Guys, as always, appreciate you guys filling it up. Grabbing up all the teams. Good luck. Helmet number 1. To the Titans. Derrick Henry for the Titans. Mr. Noe gets him a Titans. And helmet number 2 goes to the Packers. Mr. Clint gets one. Dave Robinson, Hall of Fame 2013. Packers and Titans, Clint and Noe. Congrats, guys. Appreciate all you guys getting the spots. I will be back live in just a minute for the Obsidian football break. See you then.